Hi friend, my name is Abdul Basir 101. It means Abdul Basir. Today I want to show you that how we want to repair your screen. So many people are separating how you want to repair your screen. Screen when you spoil. So we have at least two issues for problem for screen. When your screen is spoiled, we are to make your screen is working. For instance, when your screen is showing but light is not brightness. So when your screen is not brightness, today I want to show you that how you want to repair the screen. This is a two screen. This screen is showing that it's showing normally, but the reason why there is no brightness on the screen. So today I want to show you that how you want to repair your screen. This is a diet screen. The screen is not showing pictures, but the reason why screen the inner of screen is spoiled, but the screen is showing brightness too. So now I want to show you that how you want to promote the brightness of the screen to make the one that is not brightness on the computer screen. So if you want to more and more information, subscribe my channel at YouTube, write in Arewa and then subscribe my channel. So now if you want how you want to repair the screen, go to your YouTube, subscribe my channel, and then you have a more information. This is screen one that is working normally, but the screen is not showing brightness inside the computer, but screen showing dark. So I want to show you that today how you want to repair your screen is showing normally. So for this now, if you lose your screen, if you're losing your screen, this is a screen, the normal of screen, normal screen, normal. If your screen is showing normally, but the reason why your screen is not showing brightness screen, so today I want to show you that how you want to repair your screen is showing normally. This screen is showing normally, but the reason why screen is not showing brightness. So for instance now, this is the brightness of the screen. This is the brightness of the screen. Sometimes we have a one piece glove here. If the glove spoiled for screen is not showing at all. For the reason now we want to promote another screen to make this thing is working normally.